Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I think I'm gonna do an eyebrow tutorial because I feel like when you see someone's eyebrows, like if you see a guy or a girl's eyebrows done like really nice, you like want to know what they use. So I decided I'd show you how I do my eyebrows, and it doesn't really vary. Like if I'm wearing natural makeup or if I'm wearing full glam makeup, my eyebrows are just the same. So yeah, just before we start, I'll just let you know, I do get them waxed and tinted, so I have done this one prior to filming, and this one is just bare. Yeah, so if you are interested in watching me do my eyebrows and the products that I use, just keep on watching. Okay, so first of all, I use Eyebrow by Benefit in the shade 4. There and there. Yeah. And I just use a brush. The brush I use is from Too Faced, and it's like, I got it in a different eyebrow pomade kit. So I just use this because I like it. There is a brush in the Eyebrow thing in the top of the lid, but I don't like, because I don't like it getting dirty. But yeah, so I start by I just dip the sides into the brush, into the pomade, just at the sides. And I just first I like brush through the hairs to make sure everything, is in place. And I'll try and make it so that you guys can see, but like it's hard because I'm on the iPhone, But yeah, so I just start by kind of drawing a little line at the front of my brows, and then brushing it up just so it's not a harsh line. Yeah, and so I'll just keep going along the natural line of my eyebrow. Like this. And I just go all the way to the tail, so that it just so it looks like fills in all the gaps at the bottom of the eyebrow. I also always have like a gap just here, and on the same on this brow too. So I always just like to fill that in. And then I go along the top of the brow, just lightly, with not too much product, because otherwise they look like really harsh then, and I'm not about that, And just yeah, I feel more comfortable. Like I used to use a powder, but after I switched to a pomade, I just feel a lot more comfortable with it, like, because I feel like I can move it like the way I want. And then after like I've done that, a majority of the brow, I'll just put the rest of like the remaining through the front of the brow, because I don't like being that, I don't like, can't even talk. I don't like that being too like dark, but I still want it to like go into the like, I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. Oh, and I'm just using this e.l.f. blush palette as a mirror because it's got like a really good mirror. But yeah, and so after I do that, I'll just brush through the brows. Oh, and also where I purchased this was in Sephora, Australia. You can't get it on Mecca Maxima. You can only get it in Sephora. Well, for New Zealanders and Australians. I think it cost me $55. I'm not too sure. I'll put the actual price somewhere on the screen if I got it wrong. But yeah, that's what I use, and I really like it. I've had this for maybe like a year, and I still have like so much product. But yeah, I really enjoy that product. And so after I've done that, I'll go in with a this is from Ulta 3. It's called Hello Brows. I got this in a I got this when I went to Michael Finch's makeup show, and it's like, Ulta 3 is like a really cheap brand in Australia, but it's really good. And I used to go all along the edge and clean it up with concealer, and it took way too long. And this way, it's just like really quick, and it looks really nice. Like, it's just subtle. I'm using the matte side because there's a matte side, and then there's a shimmer side, and it's got a bit of a you can't really tell on camera, but like you can kind of tell it's got like a bit of a sheen to it. But yeah, so I'm going to use the matte side just to highlight underneath. I don't like doing it on top. Go under the brow. So yep, that's that, and just all the way to the end like that, just to clean off the bottom. And then either if I'm feeling like really like onto it, I'll go get a brush, but I can't really be bothered, so I'm gonna use my fingers to blend it out. So yeah, I just use the ring finger and just tap it out. And then after that, I've got 3 eyebrow gels. They're all drugstore ones because I don't really see the point in buying an expensive one where they basically all do the same thing. But yeah, so I've got the one that I use the most is this one by Maybelline. It's called Brow Drama, and I'm in the shade medium brown. Don't be fooled by the ginormous applicator. It is really like daunting, but I really like the product. Like, it doesn't make your eyebrows feel like glued down. So that's the one I use most, and that's the one that I'll use today. And so if I'm doing like a really natural look, I'll just use clear mascara. This one's from CoverGirl, and it's called Professional Natural Lash, and it's just in the shade clear. But yeah, this was like $8 or something. This one I think was $9. I got it in Australia. So yeah, if I'm doing a natural makeup look, I'll probably do this, like, but I don't want to, so. And then if I'm doing a really dark, like, dramatic look, I'll use this one. This is by Essence, and it's called Make Me Brow. It is literally a dupe for Benefits Cabral. Oh no, not Benefits Cabral, lol. Benefit, I can't remember what it's called, but I put a photo on the screen somewhere, so, but it's literally the same, and this is like $3 or something. But yeah, it's really dark. They only have 2 shades. It's like blonde and then brown. This is in the shade, yeah, Brownie Brows. But like, it's literally a dupe. Like, I would never buy the Benefit one because this is so cheap and it does the exact same thing. But yeah, I use this for glamour looks because it's darker, so yeah. So I'm just gonna set my eyebrows with this. And then sometimes when I am doing a makeup tutorial, I'll highlight the brow bone with a highlighter, the same highlighter I use on my cheeks, but you can check in to see that on my next video because I'm going to be doing a natural makeup look for my next video. But yeah, so this is the final look. They're not identical, but you know, what can you do? Yeah, so this is how it looks now. If you like this video, if you like me, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. It really helps. But yeah, thank you. See you next time. Wow, that was so awkward. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.